Checking back in with meteorologist Jordan Smith in for TG. I know we've tracked some potential storm threats coming up for at least part of the weekend. Today, though, kind of just blah.
Blah. Yeah, that's the word that we discovered during the 3 o'clock.
Great technical adjective.
Yeah, we're going to keep using it through the remainder.
Very accurate, though.
Blah.
Yeah, but most of our weekend actually doesn't look too bad.
Good.
It's just the later part of Sunday, it looks like we could be in for a good shot at severe storms. So that's something that we'll really have to fine-tune here in the coming days. But for right now, let's take a look down at Richmond. Thanks to our Bluegrass Pace Care Sky View Ace Camera Network, you can see it is overcast skies. We're sitting at 72 degrees. So that is 13 degrees below our average high of 85. Now, something that is a little bit different today, this big area of low pressure that was centered right on top of us yesterday, it's been the controlling factor of our weather all week long. It's finally moved off to the northeast and allowing us to be more dry today. Now, it has not took the clouds away, so that's why we're seeing that overcast. And most everybody is dry. A few sprinkles are spread out here across portions of central and southern Kentucky, and then a few out-and-out showers here in the portions of Hindman down to Hazard, Whitesburg, and back through Pikeville as well. Now, temperatures area-wide, again, they've struggled today. We hit the mid at 70s briefly earlier, but then the clouds moved back in, and we've since dropped it into the low 70s area-wide. Few areas of eastern Kentucky into the upper 60s. So you can see the few sprinkles that may be scattered out the area this evening. They will diminish. Skies will probably turn pretty clear overnight into our Saturday. And then tomorrow afternoon, you can see temperatures that'll be 85 to 90 degrees and humidity levels that'll be up there as well. So it'll feel very muggy and only a very slight chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm, and that's mainly for areas of eastern Kentucky. Still, I think most everybody stays dry on their Saturday. Now, once we get into Sunday, the morning hours will see a quick line of showers and rumbles of thunder move through, but then as we head off into the afternoon, sunshine breaks out, and that will disable the atmosphere for a line of strong to severe thunderstorms likely going up Sunday evening into the wee hours of Monday morning. Now, the exact timing on that is still being hashed out, and you'll have to keep it here on the ABC 36 Storm Team throughout the weekend, and we'll keep you up to date and fine-tune those details and timing as we get closer. Now, something that we do know, the Storm Prediction Center has placed most of our viewing area in that slight risk, which is level 2 out of 5 for damage and winds. Very large hail is likely with this setup. So if you have a carport or garage, it might be a good idea to park those vehicles in it come Sunday night. And also a few tornadoes cannot be ruled out. That's something that we're really beginning to track. And you can see we even have a hatched area of severe weather across a good chunk of our area. Now, you may be thinking, what the heck is a hatched area? That's not something that we see very often around here. That means that from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, there is a 15% chance of significant severe weather within these black dashed lines. That is 70+ mile-an-hour winds and hail that is 2 inches in diameter or larger. So yes, the threat really is up there for some significant severe weather. Breaking down those threats little by little, tornadoes is in between the low and moderate category. Same with flooding rains, as these could have a good amount of rain with them. And then large hail and damage and wind, straight up moderate category. And depending on how the new data comes in this evening, they may even have to be upped as well. Here's the Futurecast, which shows our storm energy. The darker these colors, the more energy we have available to tap into the atmosphere and make those storms severe. You can see it is off the charts here across central Kentucky, heading off into the second part of Sunday. So again, we're really going to have to fine-tune that forecast and watch that here over the next 36 to 48 hours as we get closer. Now, heading after that severe threat, some scattered showers and thunderstorms possible into the day on Tuesday as well. Midweek looks dry. Wednesday and Thursday will be good. Mid-80s with partly to mostly sunny skies. And then we need to watch the northwestern sky. Could be another complex of strong thunderstorms diving in here by the time we get into Friday. Back in the short term tonight, 63, mostly cloudy with showers early, and then tomorrow on our Saturday, mainly dry with only a very isolated thunderstorm chance, highs into the upper 80s. You can see that 7-day forecast. There is that severe threat Sunday night into Monday. Additional scattered showers on Tuesday. The midweek is your time to get out and enjoy because we look dry again. And we're watching for another thunderstorm complex there by the time we get into this time next week. Erica Paxson,